Well, it's 11 p.m. PST, July 15th. And what can I say? That the Pacific is absolutely on fire. I mean, we're probably going to double the amount of systems in the next couple of weeks based on the models I'm looking at. First, we're starting with 96E, which, let's be honest, it had 8090 for a tropical cyclone forming. And preparatory, a very intense one, to say the least, as it moves northwestward. And the Eastern Pacific, here's the models. Yeah, almost certainly going to form into a respectable tropical cyclone. Here is the GFS. Probably a hurricane by 72 hours based on that. Um, Intensity models, quite a few say Cat 2, some say Cat 3. I mean, it depends how far north it gets, and how fast this thing comes together. Let's take a look at it. I mean, it's definitely on its way. I mean, LSC convection. I would be surprised if it becomes a depression tomorrow and a tropical storm soon after. Um, Pretty damn likely in my mind. Um, yeah. Here's 36 hours. Here's 72 hours, 981 millibars. Um, what can I say? 965 by 96 hours. What a monster! What a beast! Um, I think this has a decent chance of becoming the first hurricane of the Eastern Pacific hurricane season. In fact, I think it's extremely likely right now. Here's another low pressure forms off Mexico, which, let's be honest, is also being watched. It has 60% at 7 days. It moves west northwestward behind this system. Um, 120. Here's that is. I think that's pretty damn likely too to form, to tell you the truth, because you got multiple models showing its formation. So really, I mean, one hurricane after another, potentially. Um, 990 at 144 on the GFS. Um, let's look at 162. Yeah, 987. Potentially two hurricanes. Pretty incredible. AIGFS shows both of it, but also a Gulf system right here. We're kind of watching the northeastern Gulf a little bit. The AI models kind of hint at this, but I just don't think it has a huge chance. Even the EC AI kind of shows the trough. Of course, it shows both of these systems. Um, CMC doesn't show anything. GFS doesn't show anything. 174 definitely shows a second system becoming a hurricane. I mean, let's be honest, a powerful beast. Uh, Next, we're going to look at the Central Pacific, which, I mean, let's be honest, is quite active tonight. 90C at 10.6 north, 166.9 west. Definitely has decent model support for a tropical cyclone forming during the next couple of days, as you can see. Pretty much loops around. Intensity models, most of them show a hurricane by 60 to 72 hour frame. We can take a look at this system. Yeah, it definitely had a LLC. In fact, you're probably close to a tropical cyclone in my opinion. I'd say 70, 90, based on the model support I see for it. Um, right now, they're saying 30, 50. I don't know. 91 has a better chance in their mind, has 70%. They're actually very similar systems. 91 is looking pretty damn good right now. It should stay south of Hawaii, but has less model support for an actual intense system compared to 90. So we'll have to see. Let's see. Yeah, this is 91. This is 90. Yeah. So a probably tropical storm was that one, while 90 has a decent chance to become a hurricane. Um, Finally, we go into the eastern western Pacific. We still have Bavi. It's a subtropical depression moving off China, headed towards North Korea in the next few days. Here it is. I mean, still a tropical cyclone, believe it or not. Pretty cool. Um, let's look at 97W, which was upgraded by JMA to a tropical storm. But really, they're not even. I mean, it's just a mess. I mean, broad LC convection could move. Secondly, move northeastward out to sea, as you can see. Finally, we got 99W, close to China, about ready to make landfall. Should make landfall in the next 24 hours. As you can see, it's about ready to make landfall. It's moving on shore right now. That is your worldwatch. What a number of systems.